What's up, guys? I got this package in late yesterday, and by the title of this video you already know what's in this package. Unfortunately, I got this package at about 3:30, so everyone's all having fun and I'm at work while this is sitting at my house. So let's go ahead and open it up so we can all see what's inside. And I feel like, I could call this like break the seal, but that's taken, right? So we can call it, I don't know, crack the pack or something similarly stupid that rhymes. Who knows? So look at, oh, there it is, Smash Bros. Ultimate. Even looking at this, it feels like it's like a long time coming. And I actually really like, Mario here, but I like Link and his Breath of the Wild stuff. That is neat looking. So I'm not going to waste your time by putting it on the workbench. I'm just going to open it right here, right in front of your very eyes. Let's see. That's awesome. So right there, look what Nintendo did. They put the roster in the artwork. See how simple that is? Even though there's still lack of instructions, the roster is sitting inside of here. Like how hard is that for every other, not every other, but a lot of other manufacturers to not put cool artwork in the case? I mean, it's right there. It's a clear case. Nintendo, you did it right. You did it right. Look at everybody on there. That looks fantastic. That just looks so good. There's the game cart. I'm not going to taste it. We already know they taste terrible. There's the back. And there it is. And it will be going into the Switch momentarily to play the game. I hope you guys got one too if you got a Switch. If not, get a Switch, play this game. I'm sure it's amazing. I'll see you guys next time.